Google recently released its latest image generation model. There are lots of features in Nano Banana 2. So let's start the video and see how we can edit, generate amazing image using Nano Banana 2 in Gemini app. Open Gemini app and make sure your app is updated in latest version. Here new message appearing, sharper images, better text, meet Nano. Click on try it or you can choose create image option. Here Nano Banana 2 providing multiple templates. You can add these templates into your images and Nano Banana 2 can generate images based on these template reference. Now I am choosing this template and I am also adding new image from my gallery. I am choosing this image. Now I will type prompt to generate new image using Nano Banana 2. My prompt is add color block according to template in this image. Nano Banana 2 is processing our prompt and it will generate new image based on color block reference. So you can see this is amazing image generated by Nano Banana 2. Nano Banana 2 generated exact image. If you want to download this image, tap on this image and click on save icon. Using Nano Banana 2 we can generate different ratio image. Here I am typing prompt to generate 9:16 poster for Holi. So you can see this is 9:16 poster of Holi. Now I want to add company name and event name in this banner. I am typing prompt so here you can see company name is added in this banner. Now I will show you how we can generate infographics using Nano Banana 2. I will type simple prompt and then Gemini will use its own intelligence to generate infographics. My prompt is generate infographics for how to use Nano Banana in Gemini app. Here you can see Nano Banana 2 generated amazing infographics how to use Nano Banana in Gemini app. This infographics is looking very attractive. Here all steps mentioned one by one and very clearly you can see each instruction. I want to download this infographics, so I am clicking on save button. Now check this amazing qualityful and detailed infographics. Now I want to convert this infographics into 9:16 poster and I want to translate all above steps in Hindi language. Nano Banana 2 will use its own intelligence. So let's see how Nano Banana 2 will generate image. Amazing. Here you can see Gemini Nano Banana 2 converted that image into 9:16 vertical size image and all text converted in Hindi. This was our first image and this is converted image based on our prompt. Now we will try another example. I want to generate a illustration for mobile and I am typing prompt to generate illustration. Here you can see this is an amazing illustration of mobile generated by Nano Banana 2. Ratio of this illustration is 9:16. Now I want to convert this image into 1:1. Again I am typing prompt to convert. Guys, you can see ratio of this image is 9:16 and this is 1:1 image. Now I am picking another image from gallery and we will apply multiple change on this image using Nano Banana 2. My prompt is change background of this image and replace with a Premium Studio. This is amazing creativity by Gemini Nano Banana 2. Here you can see edited image using Nano Banana 2 and this is original image and you can compare all difference. Now I am typing prompt to convert this 1:1 image into Panorama format and infographics image. Click on submit button and wait for some seconds. Here you can see our Panorama format of this image is ready and here are multiple things and text generated by Nano Banana 2 because this is infographics and Gemini uses its own intelligence. Nano Banana 2 also allow to use Nano Banana Pro model. If you want to use Nano Banana Pro model, simply go back. Click on these three dots. Here you can see currently our model is Nano Banana 2. Now tap on redo with Pro. Wait for some time. Now this time Gemini is using Nano Banana Pro model to generate image. If you want to see model name, simply tap on three dots and last option model is showing Nano Banana Pro and this image is generated using Nano Banana Pro and it's looking more detailed. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends.